Hello, welcome to my channel Taste of the Pen. This is M.Uzair. Today we are going to talk about how to log in into Zoom. While recently, this is not just for the Iqra University, this is for all the university or for all the students who are taking online classes and having troubles to get in, like log in the Zoom and to attend their online classes room. And recently we were using our personal Gmail addresses to log in the Zoom ID, but recently Iqra University assigned us official email addresses and passwords to make an account and to use Zoom ID. So today I'm just going to tell you everything in step wise, so you can easily make your Gmail account, like Zoom account, with just basic stuff. So let's start with it. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do, you just go in your Chrome browser, and here you can see like there is an icon of profile. You will just click on it. Okay, just click on that and you will come to know that you are using how many accounts you are using, if you are using any other account. So there will be an option of add new. So here you can see I have lots of other accounts, and there I will add. So there would be a new account, like a new tab of Chrome will be opened for me, and I will just name as in like my name is M.Uzair, so M.Uzair, and I will add with my like it is official. It is just to make it different, like differentiate with my personal accounts. So here we go. Okay, so there it will open a new tab with a Google, like it is a very fresh, like there is no cookies or no any browsing or history there would be. So here we go. Now what will I do? I will just open a Google sign in because I want to sync all the information over here, like I cannot remember everything. So what I will do, I will just write down all like my email address what Iqra University assigned me. That would be, you can take that from login into your IULMS, and the pop-up will be in the front of you, and you can just write. So here I just put email address and I'm just writing my password. Here I will write my password. Okay, so next, just wait for it and read that. Actually this is to sync your data, like your data would be shared with Iqra University and all that. I don't find it like very useful, so I will just cancel it. So you don't need to be accept or something like that. You can simply cancel it as well. Cancel it. Okay, just make sure you read it whole. Okay, what the next we will do, the next we are going to do is we will open IULMS here, and we will open the IULMS here. Just search IULMS on Google, and here is the email like website, and now you will log in with your account. What's your registration number and your password? Like my, here is it. Save it because you will have to use it for further. So this is the email address and password I was talking about. So you need to keep save this password. So here this is just a soft reminder that how we are using Google. So there you will open your online class, and because you have already signed in here in this window with your official email address that is provided by Iqra University. So now we will do basic steps like we were using before. Now open launch, there would be a pop-up. Now yes, इसको okay कर देंगे. Now just wait for it. Okay, now we will connect it with Google account, that is our official account. I'm just repeating it. Okay, now it will ask for your birthday, so you can use it your like your day, the month and the day. just like consciously what you are like honestly feeling. There is no issue, I guess. Higher and okay, continue. Okay, we will continue. It recognized me. Okay, it will take a while to get started. Okay, just click on the blue one, view and all that. That will direct you to your online class which is being going on. So this is a very simple way to get connected to your online classes. There is nothing to be worried about. Here you can see and you can hear your teacher that is being teaching. So this is not a very difficult, I mean, so you can just do it with this basic step. These basic steps work for you. So if you like the video, please like and share this video. And if you have any query or any confusion, maybe any confusion I have left in the video, so you can just simply write in the comment and please let me know how's that video. And the one more thing, I feel like whenever we are taking online classes and our IULM like discussion page and VLE session got logged out, so my next video would be for that, like how to tackle that solution, like how to solve that problem, because it very annoys, like that is very annoying. You have to keep refreshing your page. So I got a hack for that, not it's a trick, you can say a trick. And I mean, the next video I will talk about microphone options. There are lots of options available in Zoom, so I will just make it next video. If you want to see that video, watch that video, please comment. And thank you for watching that video, and if it helped you, please let me know in the comment. Thank you very much. Thank you.